Don't bother shooting him. Don't bother shooting until he charges you. Got, yep. Got, yep. Next two! Boom, you point. You can't use me as a shield, by the way. Yep. One left. Yep. Yep, you got shot. Seconds, reload whenever you can. Yeah, just... I'll pick him up. Oh! What? Yeah. Jewel Vulcan! Yeah! Oh, my head hurts for a second. He's screwed already. Yeah, it goes like 2 feet. Hey, you don't need range in HVZ. Hey. Two hands. I think he's dead. He's not dead, he only got one hand. Oh. Those things are dangerous. Yeah. Alright, are you gonna get owned? They're gonna attack you. No, only you get. Oh. You just missed Stuart. Stuart, you're still alive. Yeah, got it, yeah. Yep. Yep, there we go. Arm shots count in this game.
There you go.
Oh, get it, boom.
Oh. Yeah, fair enough.
Father vest on. Oh. No, you're still alive. Red shirt hit. Yep. Yep. Be shit. You're right. Lucas, you got shot. Yep, red. No, you got 2 left. Alright, what last, kid? No, just do it. Alright.